Publicates provides multiple insights and metrics so you can know how well your newsletters are doing, who is your audience, and how well they engage with each type of content. So there are different ways to check your analytics, either your overall performance or a single newsletter's analytics. And for now, we will check the overall performance via the analytics tab here at the top of the editor. So the page always takes a few seconds to load just because we are checking on the latest numbers. And this opens your analytics dashboard where you can see the engagement of all your publications for the time period that you've set up here at the top. By default, it's set up to 1 week, but you can of course change this to say last month, last year, or even add a custom date range. And underneath, you've got different metrics. So opens means number of time that your newsletters were viewed or open. Clicks are the number of times your newsletters were clicked on. Clicks per open, as the title says, is just the number of time a newsletter was clicked on per number of times it was opened. Publication shares are the number of times that publication was shared, for example, on social media, if that's something that you allowed via your newsletter. And content share is the number of times that a part of your newsletter was shared, again, only if you allowed it on your newsletter. So obviously, from my account, I don't send a lot of newsletters. That's why my numbers are so low. But of course, you will probably get a lot more on your site. And then underneath, you can see visually how well your newsletters are doing over time. So the green line is for the opens, the blue one for clicks, and the yellow one for shares. After that, you can see also which publications were the most popular. And if you click on one, you will straight away access this single newsletter's analytics. Otherwise, you've got this little summary here on the right. In my case, I don't have publications that people have shared, but if I did, for example, I could see people have shared my newsletter on Facebook or LinkedIn. So again, totally depends on how you set up your newsletters. And then finally, you've got insights on your audience, so where your readers are based and also which kind of device they use. Again, for me, not a lot of data, but for you, it could be completely different. And you could see, for example, people watch your newsletter most likely from desktop or sometimes from mobile, and that can influence how you decide to design your newsletter. So I hope that helps. If you want to see how to check your single newsletter's analytics, please go back to the article you just came from, or you can also search the Help Center for the article on analytics, and you can also ask me questions here from the chat. Thank you.